Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove the Shopify password protection. So for example, you just created your Shopify store and you want to visit your online store. So when you try visiting your online store, this is what you're going to see. You won't be able to see the actual home page. So when you click on enter using a password, you're going to have to enter your password before you'll be able to visit the online store. So when you remove the password, this is what you're going to see. But when the password is still there, this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to show you how you can remove the password and have access to your Shopify homepage. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is head over to my Shopify dashboard. Then it shows you exactly how you do this. So now I need to clarify something. So once you've created your Shopify store, now before you can remove the Shopify password, you need to pick a plan before your store can be visible to everyone visiting your store. So once you log in, you're going to see where you can actually pick a plan. So when you click on this toggle button here, you can click on select a plan for you to be able to choose a plan. But for you to remove the password, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on online store. So when you click on online store, this is what you're going to see. So as you can see here, it says your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. So what you want to do now is come over here, then click on pick a plan. So from here, you can either choose any of the plan that you want to choose. Then once you've chosen the plan, you'll be able to remove the Shopify password. So this store is just a demo. So I'm going to log in back to my second Shopify store that I've picked in the plan already, then show you how you can actually remove the Shopify password protection. So when I come over to this store, I've already picked the plan here. So as you can see, so I picked the plan in this store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on online store. So when I click on online store, this is what you're going to see because I already picked the plan for this Shopify store. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on remove password. Alright, so as you can see, it now says your online store is open to everyone. So when I come over here, then click on view store, you're going to see that the store is going to be visible to everyone. Alright, so I just opened the store using an incognito browser, and as you can see, the store is open to everyone. So this is basically how you can remove the Shopify password protection and make your store open to everyone. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.